Okay, we'll introduce the time zone and scheduled brightness functions. When adjusting the scheduled brightness, we first need to set the time zone. This is the time zone function, where we select our local time zone. For example, here in China, we can select Asia, Shanghai, and then we click Apply. Next, we need to select the brightness function. There are two brightness modes, manual and smart. Manual mode allows us to adjust the screen brightness ourselves to whatever level we want. And this is the smart mode. When setting the scheduled smart brightness, we need to add two time periods, one for the morning brightness level and one for the evening brightness level. We need to add two segments. Okay, let me demonstrate now. For instance, if we need 90% brightness at 9 a.m., we add that, then add another segment for 9 p.m. when we need 20% brightness. Next, let's explain why we add two time periods. This means that from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., the screen will be set to 90% brightness. Then, from 9 p.m. until 9 a.m. the next day, the screen brightness will be lowered to just 20%. That's why we need to set two time periods. Okay, check this box, then click Apply, and our scheduled brightness setup is complete. All right, that's all for today. See you next time.